In case you're wondering how life in Cairns might look like, we made this video to show you around northern beaches and some luxury real estate options. We are also visiting a stunning foreshore at Trinity Beach and scenic rides all the way to Port Douglas. Local hospitality won't be missed. Subscribe to my channel and let's dive right in. Au revoir to everyday boring routine. Rest in peace. Today we are going to show you how living is done. From the world-class Greyberry Reef to the wild rainforest. Hello to a better life at one of the most beautiful places in the world. Yes, I am talking about tropical Cairns. The epic adventures and landscapes. Of course, it wouldn't be a guide without showing you the city and restaurants. The nightlife is also very vibrant here. We are on search for a new perfect home address. So from natural delights, we also embark on a luxury real estate Cairns has to offer. With rich landscape full of waterfalls, Asian natural parks, breathtaking skywalks and the cutest little villages. Cairns seems to be the ultimate place to satisfy our highly demanding souls. This series will reveal all you need to know before moving to Cairns. Let's get into it! Hi guys! This morning we are doing something a little bit different. What it is, keep tuned! Baby, your arms look so big!
Yeah, I know. I can't do anything about it. Just like that. It's hard. It's very hard for me. I'm dealing.
Poor thing is suffering from a... Wow, that looks pretty. And as we arrived, the rain started again. Hang on.
Yeah, everyone, come to Cairns. It's fucking sunny and it's holiday destination.
On Tuesday, we do arms!
Cause if you wanna fuck your sister in the black canister, your arms better be strong.
The next right onto Lily Street, then turn right onto National Route 1.
Trinity Beach, we are coming!
Well, we're just going there, like I said, see the apartment.
I can imagine sleeping here for sure. So Mikey, how do you like this place?
I fucking love it. It's amazing.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Except the weather. Once again, we are getting rain.
Yeah.
Come on, Cairns, give us some luck. So, what do you reckon?
So we just had a chat with real estate agent, and the price is offers from 1.6 mil Aussie. Body corporate was like 16,000 per year. Council rates 2.5 or something like that. So yeah, even if you pay it off and rent it out, we calculated the rent would give like 40,000 a year from 1.6 million investment. That's fuck off. So really, if you really have money to spend and want to live here, then it's fine, but it doesn't calculate really.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful, and if it was half price, I would fucking go for it.
Yeah.
But nah, I'd rather probably have a house than that for that money. This like, you know, resort, vacation, holiday living, like all the time. Like people probably, you know, come to resorts like that for a few days. In this building, that's like the best location, because these ones are not as good.
Yeah.
You know? With the view and all that. Comparing to other units here, apartments units that are quite cheap, like, you know, 1 and 1, you can buy for 200,000, not 1.6.
That's true.
So that's really high. I don't know if it's justified for the area. You know what I mean? Comparing to other prices, it's weird. So yeah, but awesome. If I could, I would.
It is
If I
beautiful.
could, I would.
It is beautiful. Ready for the next location?
In 500 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Wow, what the hell is this? That's crazy. I can totally imagine sleeping here too. It's really nice. That's a proper house for Tarzan, don't you think? And it also comes with a pet. Have a look.
Alright, so yeah, this place, comparing the price, the other apartment was 1.6, this is 1.4. So there you go, you have house for 1.4 and that's 4-bedroom house. Quite large and land is like 1 acre as well, so that's a lot. But it looks nice, but it's all like wooden. I don't think I like that it's wooden for some reason. It's kind of like I was downstairs because it's 2 floors. I was downstairs. I could hear everybody walking upstairs.
Yeah.
The floor and that's it. Plus, yeah, really like for us, like just the top floor would be enough. But still, you have heaps of room from downstairs. So for a family, you would need 3 kids to fill up that house.
Well, one can be a guest house, one can be my photo studio, no problem.
Yeah, I would just think if you would sit here on your own, it's kind of like depressing, a little bit, dark depressing. The patio, it's nice, with the view of the ocean and all that. But the bedroom seems like dark and like depressing because it's all surrounded with greenery. There's no light coming in there.
It felt much more depressing than the apartment did, I agree.
Yeah, so yeah, I don't think I would go for it. And there is no garage.
However,
There's
today is a rainy day, so if sun is out, it's a bit more light in there, I
little
reckon.
bit maybe, but it's still covered completely with greeneries, which looks nice, but yeah, I would prefer more sun. And there is no really no grassy, patio thing. It's just a wooden deck with a pool. So it seems like a big property, but really you can't really do anything on that property anymore because there's just trees and there's just house and trees.
No garden with chickens.
Yeah, you couldn't do anything else, and yeah, no garage. You can't store any toys in there. Yeah, I probably would not be happy with that one.
Oh well, it was a nice experience.
Yeah.
Let's keep going.
Trinity Beach is truly magnificent and very beautiful for luxury living. It's only located 20 kilometers north of Cairns. Trinity Beach offers crystal clear waters perfect for swimming, snorkeling and fishing. The beach is palm-fringed with calm and safe swimming conditions. From luxury resorts to budget-friendly options, Trinity Beach has something for every traveler.
It's pretty insane.
Just nearby, you can explore the Great Barrier Reef, a Daintree Rainforest and Kuranda Scenic Railway. There's something for everybody. Our next stop is a Palm Cove. It is another stunning beachside suburb in Queensland. Palm Cove hosts various events including Palm Cove Beach Festival and Cairns Festival.
Let's check the local food.
Okay. That's extra patty. I did not expect it's gonna be that.
Very big.
I can't.
Oh my god.
We were very lucky to spot a beautiful artwork on the walls in this venue.
I have here a beautiful Marianne. She is the author of all this beautiful artwork, and I will leave you a link in the description down below to contact her if you would be interested to decorate your house. Sun went out, beautiful.
The scenic rides around the local beaches is a dream. Where the ocean's waves meet the shore on one side and the ancient rainforest-clad mountains rise up on the other.
This place is called Rex Lookout. It's very beautiful and windy. Last stop for today is Port Douglas. Let's go. We're just escaping the storm.
We are entering a 4-mile beach, a stunning stretch of sand and sea that's perfect for swimming, sunbathing and relaxation. Every beach has a square space with net to protect swimmers from predators, supported by trained lifeguards. Today's weather wasn't perfect for a quality beach time, but we still enjoyed the magic. We spotted a gorgeous mangrove trees on the side of the beach. Mangrove trees provide shelter and food for a number of species including fish, birds and mammals.
You're alright.
And our last adventure for today was visiting a local cafe.
Time for not advertised Coke. Because we are not getting paid for that.
As I mentioned, the Great Barrier Reef is just around the corner. We take adventurous trip there in our next episode. Subscribe to my channel to get review of the top Great Barrier Reef experience. Thank you guys so much for watching and give us comment how you enjoyed this episode. Share with your friends and family and we will see you in the next video. Bye!